In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Discord stream paused problem. It's frustrating when your stream keeps pausing unexpectedly, but we can get this sorted out. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure you're logged into Discord. Most likely, you've already got the app open, but if not, head to the Discord website or launch the desktop application. You'll see the login screen, which prompts you to enter your email address, the one linked to your Discord account. This is super important, so double-check it for accuracy. Next, enter your password. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so be mindful of capitalization. If you're having trouble remembering it, there's always the option to reset your password. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. You should be taken straight to your Discord home screen. If not, double-check your email and password for any errors. Now we're getting to the heart of the matter. On your Discord home screen, locate your user information. It's usually in the bottom left-hand corner. You'll see your username and a small gear icon next to it. That gear icon is your gateway to user settings. Click it. This will open a new window, which may take just a sec to load. Once it does, look for the option labeled Voice and Video. This setting panel is where we'll adjust Discord's audio and video configurations. Once inside Voice and Video settings, let's tackle the potential culprit: hardware acceleration. Scroll through the options until you find it. Hardware acceleration can sometimes boost performance but can also cause streaming issues like pausing. If it's enabled, simply click the toggle to disable it. You may need to restart Discord after making this change for it to fully take effect. This is a common fix for many streaming problems, and that's it. You've just learned how to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the Discord stream pause problem by adjusting your voice and video settings. A couple of extra tips: keep your Discord app updated for the latest bug fixes and performance improvements, and make sure your internet connection is stable. If the problem persists after these steps, consider contacting Discord support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy streaming!